Brittany, and so many of us are getting up, trying to get out of the door, figure out what we're going to put on the kids and get them out to the bus stop. So what should we know before we start the day today? Yesterday was so hot.
It was.
Is it going to be a repeat washout?
We're going to be about 3 or 4 degrees cooler, so it's still going to be hot. It'll just be slightly less hot out there. So for the kids, the shorts, the t-shirt, the sunblock as well, because it is going to be pretty toasty. We will have some clouds moving in this afternoon, but still a hot day. So you're definitely going to want to keep that water bottle handy. Keep drinking if you're outside, even if you're not thirsty. We're getting to that time of year where you really need to stay hydrated anytime that you are outdoors. We are going to continue to see this stretch of above normal temperatures, so upper 80s to lower 90s right through the weekend into next week. And we're also looking at near record highs tomorrow. The record, 94 degrees. Forecast is 92, so we'll be within a couple of degrees of that record high. But we also want to alert you to storm chances over the weekend. Now, this is not going to be an all weekend washout by any means, but each afternoon we are going to be watching for storms to develop along the dry line out to our west and then track eastward. And these storms do have that potential for large hail and damaging winds. So we do have that severe threat, but not everybody is going to see the rain this weekend. Clyde Warren Park already starting to see that brightening sky. People are getting out, enjoying our mild temperatures. We're sitting at 76 degrees right now. We do have this front sitting off to our northwest. It's going to sag south pretty close to I-35. Closer we get to noon, it's going to keep some clouds around. It could even give us an isolated shower as we head throughout the day today. But most of us are just looking at partly sunny skies for our Thursday. And then Friday morning, we wake up to more cloud cover, and we are going to continue to see partly sunny skies in the afternoon. By the evening, that's when we could see an isolated storm bubbling up, just about a 20% chance of an isolated storm. But Saturday is when we start to see that coverage going up a bit more. So clouds once again Saturday morning. Then we're watching the dry line out to the west for those thunderstorms to develop. They will continue to track east during the evening hours. And then with the loss of that daytime heating after sunset, we're going to see these storms coming to an end. But we will continue those rain chances for your Sunday, Monday, even into Tuesday before we start to dry back out on Wednesday. As far as that severe threat goes, it's a marginal risk, so a level 1 for tomorrow because it's going to be very isolated, but you'll notice it goes up to a level 2, and it does include more of North Texas for Saturday because we are looking at those storms having slightly greater coverage. But temperatures today will warm into the upper 80s to near 90 degrees in DFW. Your First Alert 7-day forecast is showing drier conditions, but they don't arrive until Wednesday, so it is going to stay hot for us for the next several days.